Hello and welcome. I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and I'm excited to introduce you to the ICT in Education Teacher Academy. At the ICT in Education Teacher Academy, we believe that technology is not just a tool, but a transformative force that can revolutionize the way we teach and learn. Our goal is to equip you with practical, actionable strategies that you can apply immediately in your classroom. Whether you're teaching early childhood, primary, or secondary education, we've got the resources and support you need. From engaging workshops and user-friendly resources to cutting-edge strategies and real-world applications, we're here to help you to integrate technology seamlessly into your teaching practice. Imagine your classroom as a vibrant learning environment where technology sparks creativity, enhances engagement, and supports every student's unique learning journey. And don't forget, you're not alone on this journey. Our community of passionate educators is here to share insights, provide support, and celebrate each other's successes. So let's get started. Explore our resources, join our workshops, and discover new ways to make technology integration a powerful ally in your teaching. Welcome to the ICT in Education Teacher Academy. Together, we'll make every lesson an adventure and every student's learning journey extraordinary.